saying? It just I ain't want to come with a point of view. I wanted to come with something like a, you know, like just a little dry, you know, talk like a little vlog type of style. You dig what I'm saying? Oh, you in? Hey, alright guys, it's your boy Quan from Quon&Von, and today we're driving and doing driving things. I don't know, you know, driving and doing driving things. Motherfucker sound alright. Motherfucker sound good. Now, hold on, bitch. Hey, shit, hold on, motherfucker, bitch. Right. Sound great. You know, I'm sorry for being a little shaky. You know what I'm saying? This motherfucker can't drive apparently today. What's going on? Oh, shit. All right, bitch. All right, now. You don't see that shit right there? Hey, come on now. All right. Oh, shit. Oh, gosh. Oh. All right. So now you doing too much like you ain't never been in no car. And then somebody driving fast. Not like this. Not like this, nigga. And I'm the one driving when I'm doing that shit. Okay, bitch? I don't trust you, niggas. I don't trust you, niggas, mate. Oh, my gosh. Y'all see what the fuck going on? Look at this. Shit. Funky monkey. Ain't doing shit, though. You really ain't doing shit, though. Oh. 110? No, dashboard? 110. Dashboard 110? 110. Well, I can't even open my crackers. Nigga moving too much. I can't do that. Oh, man. Look at him, y'all. Both hands on the steering wheel. He a bitch. Nah. Oh, nigga, I look good right here, nigga. Hold on. Alright, you big ass. Hey, y'all, this nigga's a psycho. This man really think he's doing something. Like, he don't even want to let me do it. He won't let me do it. Oh. See? You're fake. He's talking about, and I ain't even doing nothing. He's a fake. Oh, that nigga press on that. One of them motherfuckers, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, nah, but y'all let me know what y'all want to see down below in the comments. Y'all gotta let me know. Yeah, all the car stuff. What kind of car stuff y'all watching? Y'all want to see him? You know what I'm saying? And momentarily, sometime me do. You hear me? Let us know. You know, we're gonna make it happen. No good. I mean, like, we know niggas be cutting up in traffic, so he tried this what he did. You know what I'm saying? Damn, that motherfucker. Nah, it is though. Damn, shit. Okay. Motherfucker made me get the camera off. Yeah! Weird, buddy. You're weird. No, they seen the shit. Motherfucker made me get the camera off. Shit, bitch. Okay. Hey, alright. Now you cussing too much. Stop cussing. Hey, stop doing all that. I don't want to do all that editing. Stop doing all that. I'm gonna try my best, guys, to excuse my profanity. Now all the kids and young men. Y'all hear it? Y'all heard that? Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Got me like Fast and the Furious. Gotta get it done. Hey, if they don't, huh? For real though. On me. I feel that right there. That's the problem with you. I feel that. But my feet ain't touching the ground. Hold on. No bullshit. What you think I need? My feet wasn't even on the ground. They can spin that bitch, boy. Spin that bitch. Oh, don't do it. Oh! Walking in, motherfucker. Walking in. Oh! Sometimes you gotta walk before you run. No, that's backwards. No, don't do that. Yeah. No, it is walk before you run. No, not run before you run. No, yeah, that's walk before you run. You're right. Yeah, you're right. You're right. No, I'm saying this is drilling. No. Okay. BS. They got you free do? I can't do it. Go ahead, do it. Oh! I got it. I got it. Oh
Oh,
Ain't let it get away from you. You gotta get it.
Yeah,
You know what I'm
you gotta
saying?
go get that.
Sometimes you gotta hit the brakes to make sure the brakes don't hit you. You know what I'm saying? You know that.
Yep.
You nigga bun you.
Yep.
Okay, that's all I want to hate. All I want to hate is we close the gate. Like I said, if this type of stuff y'all want to see, y'all let me know. You know what I mean?
I ain't gonna lie, he doing his thing. I'm a little scared, you know what I'm saying? I'm starting to sweat a little bit on my back and tail. My skin a little starting to get a little moist.
I need to learn how to walk it though, like,
you know?
Like instead of hitting the brakes sometimes, just freaking it. But I ain't gonna do it right here. No, on this stuff.
It's too much traffic right now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly. Okay, I ain't gonna do that. That gas ain't looking alright. Oh yeah, too. I'm gonna do a video on like how much it costs to fill it up. I know y'all like them type of videos, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do a video on how much it costs to fill it up and whatnot.
Man, I might tell you, I got you, man.
What you
put those up.
Oh, you got some on you? Put it back in normal now. You good now?
Oh, man.
Sometimes you gotta freak it.
Sometimes you gotta freak it.
Freaking deep.
Freaking leak.
Freaking deep. Sometimes that's what you gotta do. I'm saying, like I say, you know, I ain't gonna, you know what I'm saying? Y'all be safe when y'all doing this type of stuff. You know what I'm saying? Be safe. It ain't that sweet. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes it can get away from you. You know what I'm saying? You can lose your life.
Absolutely, though. Real, that's real talk right there.
You know what I'm saying? So y'all be safe.
Because it do get wicked.
It get wicked. It really does. It's a whole car we playing with. You know what I'm saying? Like
A machine, ain't that?
exactly. You know what I'm saying? So,
And machines are, guess what? Unpredictable.
Right. Be safe for sure. Exactly. Be safe. But I appreciate y'all for being where y'all at and who y'all is, cause they're gonna scare.
Oh, he ain't talking about enough.
He ain't talking about y'all. When I find, matter of fact, I know an open space. So when it's time for me to get some new tires, right, I'm gonna spin it.
Crazy. I mean, go crazy.
Spin it. Yeah, exactly. He's taking his time.
Let me go get this young man wait, because they going crazy.
Yeah, y'all let me know. Like if y'all want to see car meets and all that.